This video will walk you through how to use the advanced search in the Banner registration system. You'll first need to navigate to the MyUSU student portal. You can access the registration menu by clicking on Registration and Classes from either the left-hand menu or using the drop-down across the top. From here, choose Browse Classes. Choose a term from the drop-down that you would like to search and hit Continue. From the Browse Classes page, first select your campus and then click on Advanced Search. In order to see additional search options, there are a variety of options that you can use to narrow down your search results. Some of the more frequently used options include searching by course attribute. An example would be displaying only courses with the Breadth Humanities or BHU General Education attribute. You can also search by instructor name or select meeting days if you only want to see courses offered on Tuesday and Thursday, for example. There is also an option to view only courses that are part of a particular part of term, like the first or second 7-week sessions. If you have questions about this or any other topic related to registration, the Registrar's office is here to help.